Hello, my name's Tim, and I came by FirstBuild today because I have a problem. For the past 20 years, my wife has been complaining about my sweaty gym clothes, even to the point where she started throwing them away, even after they've been laundered. I can't put them in my hamper because they're wet. I can't leave them in my gym bag because they turn into a science experiment, and I can't turn my house into a drying rack. The only solution that I've ever been able to come up with is turning every day into wash day. And so I'm wondering if you can save my marriage. How do you handle the clothing between the time of the workout and laundry day? So I'm looking for a solution between the workout and wash day. I need a place where I can take these wet, smelly, sweaty clothes, where they can be dried without damaging heat, where they can be stored and the odor can be contained, so that I can keep them in one place out of the way until I have a full load ready for wash day, and I'm no longer turning my entire home into a drying rack. When your kid comes home from the game and they have a tournament the next day and they need those clothing, what do you do? What do you do when the laundry care instructions tell you not to tumble dry? And so how do you dry these clothes and have them ready for the next morning when every place you're trying to dry them is full of humid air? If you guys have any solutions about how you handle this, I would appreciate you guys putting those ideas in the comments below. I don't work at FirstBuild, but I'm going to be following this. So the engineers and the folks here at FirstBuild need your help. I really appreciate your feedback and look forward to hearing it.